Hello guys, welcome to Network Beginner. So today's topic is DHCP. First, let's understand what is DHCP. Basically, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network management protocol used on IP network. Basically, a DHCP server automatically assigns IP address. Basically, if we configure a DHCP server on a router or if we create a different DHCP server like on Ubuntu server or Linux and etc. So basically, it's automatically assign the IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to a devices on a network a clients ask then and allowing them to communicate effectively. Basically, it eliminates the need for a network administrator to automatically assign the IP addresses to all the networks. Because as you all know, suppose a company inside there are 500 nodes, basically 500 computers. So it's not possible a network administrator assign the 500 IPs. So basically it creates the DHCP server and automatically assigns the IP addresses. Why it is important? Saves time by automatic IP address assignment. Avoids IP conflicts due to manual errors. Management provides centralized of network configurations, enable easy integration of new devices. And how DHCP works basically? DHCP process is often simplified into the four main steps. There are four main steps, as you all know, I think. There is the DORA process. We call the DORA process. But actually, the main steps are 8 steps. Means the total is 8 steps, but normally there are 4 main steps, as you all know about that DORA. DORA means I also tell you inside the packet tracer, so don't worry inside that. But first, let's complete the theory. Then we go for the practical. Okay, so there is means this is the 4 steps DORA, and there are also 8 steps. There are 8 steps in DHCP as you DHCP NAC, DHCP decline, release, and inform. Okay, so now let's I configure DHCP and through that I tell you all the details about DORA because this is the important thing. Na? So just a sec. First, I want to give the IP. So this is the LAN in. This is LAN B, suppose that's it. So this is that interface IPs, okay? So first let's give the IPs. So just wait. First we have to give the command no, then enable mode, then configure terminal. Now we have to give the interface, in which interface we want to give the IP address, then tab button 192.168.1 dot 1.1 255.255.255 because it's a subnet, or we also say that CIDR and also slash value. Then no shut to up the line. Exactly. Then for the next interface, IP address 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0, then no shut to up the link. Exit. Okay. This is what is this? We give the IP to the each interface. Okay. Now we haven't configured any DHCP server till now. Okay. So on the simulation mode, I give the details how this is all works now because this is just set the PC IP configuration DHCP. There is a what we can say, there is a just give me a sec, we have to also delete. Now on show none, now edit filter, we have only see the DHCP packets, so that's why you can see here event list filter visible events, there is a TCP. So the in the simulation mode, the only traffic it goes through means the DHCP. Basically here the whole process they like a white shark packet tracer like that. So there means there are only see the DHCP packets inside that. So let's again done. Static. Sorry, now delete, and now we go for the static. Just a sec. DHCP, and let's see the packet. What inside that packet? You see there is a type DHCP, no? So let's see. So as you see the packet, there is a layer 4. Okay, it's a 68 port UDP source port. What is the source port? Means it is the client port, DHCP client port 68. Inside the DHCP port 67. Sorry, DHCP server. Destination port, what is DHCP server 67. And IP header, because it has no IP address, so 0.0.0.0. And destination IP address is a broadcast address. As you all know, 255.255.255.255. It's a discover packet. Because if we go for the next, so basically PC2, then let's see. Because we haven't configured the DHCP server, no? That's the issue here. So let's first configure the DHCP server. Then we see all the packets inside the simulation mode, so you can understand easily, very easily. So the command for the DHCP server, let's create IP DHCP pool. First we have to give the pool. After that we have to give the default router IP address 1.1. This is the full LAN, okay? Then enter. It's a default router. Then we check for the network. What is my network? So basically it is a class C address, so it 1.0. Then what is subnet mask? 255.255.255.0. Enter. And then exit. It's done. Okay. But we haven't given the LAN B DHCP pool as well. Means the configuration. So we have to give the IP DHCP pool B. Or we also call that LAN B. Leave it. It's a B. Okay. So after that, default router it's a 10. 10.0.0.1. Then okay. Then we have to give the network. What is the network? 10.0.0.0, because it's a class A address, no? That's it. And exit. It's done. Okay. If you want to, I give you just do show IP DHCP binding. There is a one IP to that hardware, because I think we inside that PC1 we also configure the DHCP, no? That's why, yeah. So it's automatically assigned. It's great, no? Means it's successful. But we have I want to tell you the DORA process, no? So that's why I want to tell you the whole packet. Just give me a sec. Now you see here, it's only capture the DHCP packet. Okay. Now we click on the DHCP. There is a packet create, and as I already told you that part, right? It is the source IP, the destination IP is a broadcast header, UDP source port is a 68, means it is a DHCP client port, destination port 67 means it is a DHCP server port. Okay. It's a discover packet to find out who is the DHCP server. Okay. Now we go for the next. It goes to switch 1. After that, PC2 is reject that packet. That's it. And let's see here. D means the router 1 packet. Okay. So it is the DHCP server. Now go for the next. So what is the packet is sending? Let's see. Because after that DORA, let's see, means D. So you can see here offer packet. The DHCP server responds with an offer containing an IP address. means it is saying like PC1 I have IP this. If you want to means if you want that IP, so please tell me, and I tell you the IP. Your client address 192.168.1.2. This is the IP from the pool DHCP server wants to give the PC1 DHCP server. Inside that, which packet? Offer packet. So DHCP server responds with an offer containing an IP address. It's only telling the IP address to the PC1. Okay, so this is the offer packet. Now let's we go for the next. So PC2 reject and PC1 accept. Okay, after that offer packet, C, D means discover, O means offer. So D or O complete. Now if we go for the R packet. R means request. The client requests the offer IP address from the selected DHCP server. Now let's see for the next. This is the offer packet. Inbound protocol data unit. Inside that we can see that your client address. And let's see, it's a server as such. Fine now, because inside that offer packet. So this is the client address. He wants this configuration. So he says inside that which packet? Request packet. The client request means the PC1 request to DHCP server. Please give me that offered IP address. Okay. So then we go for the next. R1 accept and PC2 reject. And then router 1 send the packet. Which packet? DORA. This time it is sending the acknowledgement packet. Means the server sends a DHCP acknowledgement confirming the lease. He's sent the old configuration related to that IP, noted down. Configuration in which packet? In acknowledgement packet. Confirm the lease basically. Your client address. This is the acknowledgement packet, and now we see here there is a no IP. But if we go for the next, PC1 accept. Now let's see it assign the IP address. So it is easy or not? It is very easy. Okay. So please, I request you, please means learn from this video or understand from this video what is DHCP and how it works basically. There is a main 4 steps. As you already know, DORA. D for discover, O means offer, R means request, ACK means acknowledgement or A for acknowledgement. Discover means the PC1 or client sends a broadcast address who is the DHCP server. So find the DHCP server. Okay. O means offer, the DHCP server respond with the offer message. From the pool, they give IP to client or PC1. This is, I have IP. If you want to, then tell me. Then PC1 or client send the request message to the DHCP server. Client request, please give me that IP because I want it. So the acknowledgement packet, inside the acknowledgement packet, the server, DHCP server sends what? The IP address configuration with the lease, confirming the lease. And there is, as I already told you, there is a 8-step DHCP process. So I don't think so anybody ask about that 8 because I don't know they know or not, the interviewer. But yeah, how I know if you want to? So my trainer told me, and my trainer is very good in that part. Means basically networking is very good. That's why, no? So if you want that file, so please comment it down. Okay, so I'll share the link. And this is, if let's see if they talk or not. So first let give the DHCP, then DHCP assign the, and for PC4 as well. So let's see they talk to each other or not. Ping 192.168.1.2. Now let's see. One dot up is a PC1. Okay. Request timeout and then reply. Okay. So that's great. Means they are talking to each other because what is a router? Router works as a what is a router? Router basically a layer 3 device which is useful to transfer the data between the different lanes on, we can say that, over the internet. So that's how they can talk to each other. If there is a switch, layer 2 switch, they can't talk to each other. Or even we can't assign the IP, so how they can talk to each other. That's why. If we here is a add the layer 3 switch, so basically in each interface we give the IP, no? That's how they can talk to each other. But right now they can talk to each other very easily, and this is the DHCP process. So don't waste any time. Thanks for watching this video and like and subscribe.